Good day. Today you join me in Antrim, Northern Ireland. It's a lovely city, about 35 kilometres north of Belfast. The population is roughly 24,000 people. It does fluctuate slightly, and it's really nice and vast. We're starting off the day in Antrim Castle and Gardens, and we're just going for a walk to see what it has to offer and just get a bit of fresh air after our long drive. So allow me to walk you around this often untalked about and undiscovered place and just showcase you the wonders that it has to behold. It's going to be nice. So my thoughts on this place are as follows. It's a lovely place to walk around and spend the afternoon or the Sunday morning with. There's so many park benches to sit, relax, read, just chat with people. Plus, the gardens are lovely. There's picnic tables, so you can actually have a lunch and just speak with people that way. And there's a cafe as well, so there's a bit for everyone. It's not really a place where you go here intentionally, but if it's a stop along your journey, it's a wonderful place to be at.